Zimbabwe stands on the brink of one of its gravest constitutional reversals since independence, not through tanks on the streets or the open suspension of civil liberties, but through calculated legal engineering designed to hollow out democracy from within. Salabira mashoko budanyo kapangwana chino chinzi engineering power, eroding democracy, ZANU-PF's constitutional project, and Zimbabwe's democratic peril. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. TV na mnamo budanyo kwa mchinzi. Leaked but unconfirmed documents circulating in political circles point to a raft of proposed constitutional amendments by ZANU-PF, which, taken together, amount to a systematic effort to centralize power, weaken institutional checks, and sever the link between citizens and political authority. If enacted, these changes would fundamentally alter the democratic character of the state while preserving the outward appearance of the constitutional rule. At the center of the proposals is the reported removal of direct presidential elections. Under this plan, the president would no longer be chosen by the electorate but selected by parliament. In a political environment dominated by the ruling party, such a shift would effectively transfer sovereign power from citizens to a party-controlled legislature. The president would cease to be an expression of popular will, and instead of becoming an internal political arrangement, is insulated from direct public accountability. The proposed extension of presidential and parliamentary terms from 5 to 7 years compounds this erosion. Longer terms reduce electoral frequency and weaken the people's ability to regularly assess and replace their leaders, combined with the diminished electoral oversight. Extended tenure risks entrenching power while hollowing out meaningful democratic participation. Equally troubling is the reported expansion of presidential appointments to parliament. Increasing the number of appointed senators would further blur the separation of powers, tightening executive control over the legislature and undermining parliament's constitutional role as an independent check on executive authority. A legislature shaped by authority rather than representation cannot credibly defend the public interest. The proposed changes to electoral administration strike at the core of democratic legitimacy. The reported transfer of the voters' roll from the SADC to Registrar General's office threatens electoral integrity by placing a critical function in an institution widely viewed as partisan. Removing delimitation responsibilities from SADC further fragments electoral management, weakening the independence of the body constitutionally mandated to oversee elections. Elections risk becoming administrative rituals managed by executive rather than transparent democratic contests. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ino achionekwa kunzi aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe yoenda kumawere. Vana kumese chemedo zvakungura imo tikudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.